Parked up, we drove off, went to game. Stop. Quiet right there, picked up San Andreas. Certain things we ain't talk about, mama.
Yo, it's your boy Drex back again with another video, and this is an unboxing video. I said on my last unboxing video that I love this type of videos because they give you that excitement, the feeling. Nothing can beat that, having a new pair of shoes or whatever. But this time, this was opened already, so I saw what it was because we had to check what it looked like and how it fit. And yes, I said we because it's a size 5, like a size 6.5 women's, and this is for the bae, or should I say the soon-to-be hype bae, because this is her first pair of Yeezys and definitely not gonna be the last, because she definitely wants the Yeezy 350 V2 clays or whatever V2 350, because they are really cray. But yes, let's get back to the shoes. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna talk much about the box because we have the 380, the Boost right here, Adidas on the bottom, and then the size. I mean, you've seen it everywhere. I have also an unboxing of 350 V2, the creams, the all white, triple white, whatever you wanna call it. It's like down below.
Down below.
It's like really down there. If you just scroll from my past videos, it's been like last year, middle of last year, or whatever. But yo, right here, yes sir. Oh, bro, they look so nice. Actually, I like a pair for myself as well. So if you all know size 8.5, if you're a reseller or you know where to buy, I'm not paying more than $450 for this pair. You know what I'm saying? We have the 380 Mist. Oh, this is so cute. It looks so small. I wear an 8.5 and I know there's a small size for men's, but yo, this looks like a toy. It's just so cute. So the bro got this off Adidas as well. So authenticity is 100% because yeah, we get the tags as well, and when he showed me, it was still inside the other box. Shout out to the bro, Soul Rebel Kicks or whatever. I couldn't spell, or I think that's the right name, but I'll put it down here. That's his Instagram. Follow him, hit him up. He usually sells big sizes, but every now and then he's got small sizes like this. And yeah, like I said, if you're a seller or you know where to buy, size 8.5, but the color on the non-reflectives are way better. I mean, the reflectives are crazy when you show the flash, but yo, this one right here, beautiful. We got the outsoles, and this part right here is my favorite. Like, we have this rose gold right here covered with the base of like a camouflage brown or whatever. Bro, no on feet, nothing else, just a quick video, eh? But yeah, look at this, beautiful. I've seen this before and then it looks kind of weird in photos, the form of the shoe, so I didn't really chase a pair for myself, but now I want the 380. Look at how beautiful they are. They are Boost written on the outsole as well. We got Yeezy Adidas on the inside, on the insoles. Yeah, I couldn't do much, I couldn't wear them. It's not my size, it's really small. There we go. I hope y'all enjoy this video. This is basically just me showing you this pair because some of y'all might be watching this and thinking if they want the 380s like me, like I was thinking, but now after seeing this beautiful pair, definitely want one. Yo, so I hope y'all enjoyed this quick video. Leave a comment right there, tell me if I should get a pair or not, and yeah, like, share so people can see this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, because 90% of people watching my videos are not subscribed. I'm out. Peace.
Days seem longer as life gets shorter. We know sex, drugs, money, all